What's up guys, brand new day. Today we're gonna be doing an e-bike vlog. We're not doing a review. Currently riding the Lectric XP Lite. I haven't ridden this e-bike in a long time. Since you guys last saw it, it had a Turtleneck XL, one of my older models. I recently changed the stem to a Turtleneck Shorty and it looks much better. Today we're gonna run a quick errand. I need to ship off one stem to a lucky customer. This is somebody that's previously bought a stem off of me. His name is Fredrual. I don't even know how to pronounce his freaking name. It's F-E-D-R-U-A-L. Randomly saw this dude's video on Facebook. He posted a little like review or a little shout out showcasing one of my stems, but what I noticed is that he had an older model. He was working with a Turtleneck XL. So I hit him up in the DMs and I was like, Fredrual, let me hook your boy up with a brand new Turtleneck FX folding stem. You're working with the older model. Like, I really appreciate the shout out, but you know, let's shout out the newer models that I'm actually selling on my website. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna ship off this one Turtleneck FX to my boy Fredrual. Thank you for the shout out. But guys, I'm not gonna lie, your boy needs your help. At this point, I've sold over like 1,600 freaking Turtleneck stems, guys. I don't really do like promotion. I don't really like market it. I don't pay for ads on YouTube. I don't pay for like Facebook ads. I just kind of market it through my YouTube channel for free, and it's been working like pretty good. You'd be surprised. And what I need you guys to do is post it more. I need you guys to shout it out. I need you guys to post reviews about the Turtleneck stem and BMX bars and how dope your bike looks now and how much better it feels riding your bike. You guys don't know how many times I'm just like out driving or riding my bike and I see somebody riding a folding e-bike with a long giraffe neck stem and I'm like, dude, that's a potential customer. They don't even know my product exists. So I need you guys to spread the word, okay? And if you haven't picked up a Turtleneck stem, check it out. Go on my website. It's on davidbrandnew.com. It is a solution to the long, ugly giraffe neck stem. It allows you to switch to cool looking BMX bars and you can still keep the foldability. I sell two different versions. One is called the Shorty. It's very short. It's on this bike. And then the other one is the FX. It's a longer version and it extends a little bit higher for those of you that want to adjust the handlebar height. Both stems work on like 99% of the folding e-bikes and probably 95% of bikes in general. It just depends on if you need a quill stem adapter or not, and you can find out all that information on my website. And both stems are secure. They're just as safe as using the giraffe neck stem. I've been telling you guys for a couple years now, switching to BMX, you're gonna feel way better handling with your bike. Like, those giraffe neck stems do not feel right. There's something off with the geometry. This feels so comfortable. I'm going freaking 26 miles per hour downhill, about to freaking turn with the cars. The road is not flat, it's a little bumpy. This bike has no suspension and the stem doesn't feel wobbly or nothing. But let's go ahead and drop off this stem to Fredrual. We're almost at our destination already. Let's go. Been talking you guys' heads off. That's freaking crazy. And here we are at the UPS store. Let's go ahead and drop off this package. Check out the freaking bike though. Got the Turtleneck Shorty. Oh my God, beautiful. Check it out, it just folds on the side like this. Right out of the way, super sick. It's also like a security feature, I feel like.
It's the first time I've seen somebody have it like that.
I didn't want to, you know, be all in your face with the camera. Yeah, I don't know, it like works for me because like the mic picks up backwards and then I can kind of see
and it's more eye
through
level
it
if something happened.
Yeah, I can see the shot. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
Bro, aren't you a little bit...
Huh?
Are you 6 foot what?
I'm 6'4". Too big?
No, I'm sure you fit well on that bike.
I got bigger bikes at home, but this one's fun.
I'm sure it is. Is it tweaked so you can go faster with it?
Yeah, I put 2 motors on it, so. I do like e-bike reviews and stuff like that on YouTube.
Oh, serious?
And then I actually came up with this product.
Are you serious?
So this folding mechanism allows you to switch from like the traditional like long stems that come on the folding bikes. You can switch to BMX. So my YouTube channel, if you want to check that out, that's a good start. David Brand New.
David Brand New.
Mm-hmm.
Sounds like a rap name. I can tell my son, I've been working since the age of 14. And at the point I realized, at my age, we live to work. Why are we living to work?
Yeah, I found that out in 2020 when after I got my degree, worked so hard to get my degree, been working with for 7+ years and just doing data entry that whole time. Tried to get into the IT department and got demolished. Like, they did me so dirty, and I didn't like that feeling of somebody having that control over me. That was it. I quiet quitted that whole year.
Good for you.
Man.
Good for you.
Yeah.
Good for you.
See that right there, guys? That's exactly what I need you guys to do. I need you guys to be out there spreading the word about the turtleneck stem, okay? All right, let's go ahead and take the long way home, have a little fun. That dude was talking about how small this bike is. Man, I freaking love this bike. I don't care how small it is and how big I am and how crazy I look on this joint. I love it. Only thing I wish is that this bike was faster. It only goes 20 miles per hour. Now, I did add a second motor on the front, and that boosted the acceleration. Like, the bike is definitely quicker, but it still only maxes out at 20. So technically it's a slow bike. One of my batteries is not even fully charged. I think it's the Ingwe battery, which is a 14 amp hour. So it's technically a little bit bigger. So we should have a little bit of range out of this thing. Unfortunately, we're not gonna do no off-road riding because this bike has street tires, and I don't want to get a flat or get hurt. So we're gonna keep it on the streets. Oh, we are freaking flying now though. Let's go. 25 miles per hour on the Lectric XP Lite. Who would have thunk it? Who would have thunk it? Who? I almost ran into those freaking mailboxes. We're gonna take a different route today, switch it up. You guys been seeing the same old freaking routes every video. You guys know all the designated spots. I'm surprised nobody showed up while I was filming. I guess I'm not that big yet though, right? We're gonna do dual throttles up the hill. Oh yeah, 16 uphill, let's go. This is the most off-roading you're gonna see on this bike. Oh, we got a couple jumps too. Let's see if we can not hit them. I'm not getting hurt today. You got me messed up, guys. What the heck? I'm sure you guys saw me fall off my bike in the last video. Your boy has been sore for like 3 weeks now. Since then, I've been super cautious and doing stunts and crazy stuff. I don't know, I'm a little traumatized. Your boy's been cruising like a grandma on the Lectric XP. Smells amazing right here. This mulch, feels like I'm in the wilderness. Oh, there's some dog shit. I'm definitely in the wilderness. Or was that horse shit? All right, let's check this out. I've never seen this before. I don't know if it's private property though. I don't want to get shot over here. This is definitely the neighborhood for it. What is this? No alcohol, no driving or parking, no littering, no loitering, no motorized vehicles. This is private property. Motorized are not permitted. Violators will be prosecuted. I don't even want to take the chance. I feel like they're super strict over here. They might consider this a motor vehicle even though it's not. It's an electric assisted bike, which is technically still a bike. Dude, I love that this bike has dual motors. Like, even though it's slow, when you go up hills, you're freaking flying. Damn, we're only working with 2 bars. Oh no, we need to head back. Watch out, truck. Move. I think I took the wrong turn somewhere, guys. I am freaking lost now. But check out these houses. These are dope. One day I'm gonna get a house, guys. Been stacking my bread. Last year we got a new car. So that was cool. Next on my list is a house and a Suron. Let's tuck. Let gravity do all the work. We're going 24, 26, 27. Can we go 30 on the Lectric XP Lite? No, we cannot. This is dope. Did they just build this? Let's see. Which way are you supposed to go? Let's go down here. BMX bars. Oh, nice day. Nice. Whoa. Whoa. Nice. All right, we're gonna turn on the rear motor. See how she does. Here we go. Should be a little bit better. Whew. A little bit. Got some power. Choo. That was dope. That was dope. Let's stop up here at this this park right here. Let's see if anybody wants to hoop. See if anybody wants to get dunked on real quick. If not, we'll keep it pushing. We're gonna go up here. I don't see anybody at the court, but we're gonna do a little loop around the park. It's like a little racetrack. Dipping around corners. Oh, the knee is out. Look at how beautiful that basketball court looks. Oh my goodness. Should I go in the grass? Probably not. It's probably wet. Here we go. Go down. And we're out of there. Dude, this bike has been holding up so good. Like, I'm surprised it's lasted this long. I'll be riding the hell out of this thing. I'll be jumping off of curves with the heavy ass motor on the front. Like, this thing is solid, dog. I still even got the screen protector on this joint. This thing is freaking brand new. We're gonna go over to the lake, wrap up the video. Thank you guys for hanging out with your boy, though. I promise I'm gonna do more videos like this, and they're only gonna get better. I mean, right now I'm just like in a creative slump, so I mean, whatever. And here we are at the beautiful lake. There it is, man. This place is so peaceful. Let's park up the bike, get a nice shot for you guys. Hold on. There she is, Lectric with the turtleneck shorty, BMX bars, custom freaking BMX stem. Come on. This bike is a beauty. Thank you guys for hanging out with your boy. I'll see you guys in the next video. We're gonna end this one with the dope music montage of the Lectric XP Lite. See you guys in the next one. Until then, deuces. Like that.